video is a brief tutorial on how to change the color on the project that you're working on. So I have this project that I'm working on that's got 2 rounds with 2 different colors. I'm on the 3rd round, and in this one I need to add the color green. What I'm going to do is, because this round, this second round that I was working on, has double crochet clusters in it, where I'm going to change the color is right behind where I fastened off on my last round in the space. So what I do is I hold my yarn like this, okay? You can hold it however you want. This is what I found is easiest for me. So I just hold it like that. I stick my hook into where I need to insert it. I hook the yarn and I pull through a loop, okay? Don't pull through the whole thread. Otherwise, your tail's gonna come through and you won't have a loop, and you need to have a loop in order to crochet. Okay, so I have my loop, and I have 2 strands here. One is the tail and one is the continuance of the yarn that I'm going to use. What I'm going to do for this next stitch is I'm going to hook both of the strands of yarn, and I'm going to pull it through the loop. Once I pull it through the loop, I'm going to pull on both sides and tighten that. Okay? Now your new color is connected. I'm going to drop the tail because I don't need it anymore. And then I'm going to continue crocheting. I need a double crochet. This one's counting as my double crochet, and I can just continue on doing what I need to do, whatever my pattern calls for, okay? But you can see that it's on there. You know, it's not going to come off. I tuck my tail in as I go, so we'll do it one more time, okay? Hold your yarn however is comfortable for you, your new yarn. Go into the stitch or wherever you need to go to join your new color. Hook the strand of yarn and pull through just a loop, not the whole tail. With your loop on your hook, you're going to hook both strands of yarn, the tail and the continuing yarn, pull it through the loop, pull both ends to tighten it. Okay? After that, you drop the tail, and then you continue working on whatever your pattern is having you work on. All right?